You go out and you do an emergency response, after a fire, a hurricane, flood event, network connectivity. That's job number one. We got to get in, we got to figure out what resources we need, and we got to have the ability to communicate.
Every deployment is unique and they require a different set of solutions to meet that communications need in the field. You may have a single connection out, that may not be enough. If your LTE doesn't work and that's your only line out, you've got a problem making a decision in the field. Hurricanes, ice storms, active shooter, you name it, first responders are looking for reliability and redundancy in every deployment they have. That's accomplished by providing a complement of different technologies at the same time. And that could be Rajant's wireless solutions, LTE, satellite. All of these solutions combined allow public safety and first responders to make life-saving decisions in the field. Application requirements for public safety and first responders has grown substantially. Real-time video requires a lot of bandwidth and uptime availability.
With the Rajant solution, there is no limit to what we can do, from drones to automated ground vehicles, all the way to hazmat team and police video can come across a Rajant mesh network.
First responders, when they go out and they deploy in the field, they have a lot of tasks and a lot of different things they have to use their hands for. So anything that you can automate, something you can put on their body and it functions, that makes their life easier.
There are solutions out there, such as Rajant, that allow you to light up other areas where traditional technologies cannot. It is industrial wireless.
If you have teams operating in the basement or if they're on the 20th floor, that could be an issue where radios may not be able to get out or reach another team member. I would be focused on my task at hand, whereas if you had other cameras and there's somebody back in the command post watching all that video, they may see something I missed. If I walk past a hazard or something's coming in behind me, there's somebody here watching my back that could see that. If we were able to capture all that video, it would just give us the ability to push that out to responding police officers, other fire trucks and other agencies that were coming for mutual aid.
It's boots on the ground that first get there and need to set up wireless, and then it's a complement when we combine it with satellite and LTE.
Mobile command centers that we use can connect to a satellite orbiting the Earth and basically work anywhere in the world. It gives you that lifeline to augment that time where maybe you don't have LTE service until the network providers get that back up. That satellite's going to give you that connectivity to fill that void. They have to have that capability when they need it. What we try to give our customers is multiple paths to get that network connection down to them.
That is the big change in the industry. And it's the blending or the fusion of these technologies that allow them to do some things that they haven't been able to accomplish before in the field.
How can you make an accurate decision if you don't have the complete picture of what's going on? That's what you see with the drone deployments, with the robots, with the LPR cameras, with video surveillance cameras, body wearable cameras. It's all about having the information you need to make a decision based upon the facts about what's going on. Firefighters, the police officers, the guardsmen that serve our country, that's irreplaceable. Anything we can do to help them with their job is just, that much more important to us.